Self-assistance is basically about having a complete track of your daily based actions. This whole concept is about having a sufficient idea in which you can improve yourself. You should be focusing on examining the whole situation besides focusing on a single standpoint. Prosperity Miracles will be giving you a complete insight into the areas which you probably might not have noticed before. Self-respect is connected with your well-being and lets you know about how you are feeling. What is Prosperity Miracles? The Prosperity Miracles is created and tested based on scientific research, proven to eliminate the Mind Reaper effectively. The system is laid out in a way that makes it simple for you to remove the Mind Reaper, where all you need to do is just press play. Nothing has worked so quickly and easily when it comes to attracting abundance from the universe. Picture yourself waking up the next morning, knowing that you can have absolute freedom to do whatever you want, whenever you want. Imagine having the ability to pay off all your debts and travel around the world without any financial stress. Imagine having the energy and vitality to pursue the things you are truly passionate about. Can you easily use Prosperity Miracles? You have to assess the space and acknowledge it in between the present status and get an idea about your objectives of personal development. The development would not be happening in just one night. You have to build a complete appraisal for yourself to get an idea that how far you can achieve your objectives and dreams. This is the point from where you can get an idea about how you can customize your goals and how Prosperity Miracles can help you to achieve success in your life. If at some point in time, things are not happening in a way as you have decided it to be, then try to add some humor in those situations. Make an effort to take things in a way as if nothing serious has happened. Taking things seriously will collapse your whole life, so try to laugh out more as much as you can. If you are looking forward to helping yourself, then it is so much important that you should completely free yourself from the intense level of stress to work towards your ambitions. How does Prosperity Miracles work? Here's how it works. They've compiled all the techniques into a plug-and-play system. Step number 1, log in to the private online portal. Step number 2, press play and let Prosperity Miracles system does all the work for you. Step number 3, experience prosperity and wealth flowing into your life starting today. Who is Prosperity Miracles for? The best thing is that Prosperity Miracles can be used by literally anyone. No matter what job, gender, age, race and so on you are. It works for every individual out there that wants to have a positive impact in his life. Now, in case you are wondering that the Prosperity Miracles system is too complicated, here's the thing. You don't need to know anything about the law of attraction. You don't need to have any prior knowledge on manifestation. You don't need to be good with visualization techniques. In fact, you don't need anything else besides following my simple instructions. How Prosperity Miracles can change your life. If you are using Prosperity Miracles for the first time, then the best way would be to get in touch with the old customers or users of this formula. They can better guide you with how their life has changed completely in terms of positive aspirations. Greet them and get an idea about how they have changed their lives through the use of Prosperity Miracles formula. Please follow the link in the description to find out more.